Joystick. Hey, I love your invention. The joystick. I'm fascinated in playing video games with that. I felt I'm a part of the game because I can see, hear, and feel feedback from the game. Thanks, Lydia. I started looking to improve and challenge game design by extending input devices into the physical world. Joystick has a stick. This is a stick that is attached to a base. You can tell the stick to move or control the movement of a pointer or some other display symbol on the screen. This is what exactly Anne told you. She said this with her mouse. Like that, I can move or control the pointer or some other display symbol on the screen with this stick. Joystick can provide more realistic control to the game player. You can watch like this. Perhaps you have seen joystick control which is also like this. Hi friends, I'm Miss Graphic Tablet. I'm a flat surface on which you can draw using a pen-like device stylus. I just love to draw on me. And also, I'm perfect for capturing signatures. I will explain. Take your drawing book closer to you. It is a flat surface just like me. Now take your pencil and draw something on your flat surface. 1 second. I will take my drawing book. Now you have to imagine something with me. Imagine your drawing book is your graphic tablet or the flat surface of a graphic tablet. Now take a pencil and imagine it as your stylus. And also think your drawing book or your graphic tablet is connected to your computer, automatic computer. Now take a stylus and keep a dot or draw something. What can you see? Nothing. Imagine you can see anything. Instead of looking on the your graphic tablet, you have to look on your computer screen. Everything, whatever you are doing at this moment, you can see on the screen of your computer, not on the graphic tablet. I'm show you it here.
This is the Wacom Intuos Pen and Touch. It's a previous generation model, but it still has similar functions to the more current Intuos tablets. This type of tablet does not have a built-in screen, so you have to look up at your computer monitor to see what you're drawing. A lot of people think that sounds difficult, but you don't look down at your hand while using. I move the tip of my pen to the top left of my tablet. If your tablet is
I think you're clear about me, that is graphic tablet. And also you can use this, or you can use me for signatures, capturing your signatures. Just like this. However, some artists don't like to see another screen to see their work. They need to see their graphic tablet to see their work. So in that case, they can use another type of graphic tablet where you can experience the exact feeling of drawing on your paper. Like this.